I'm going to be doing some passion twists, and this is going to be my third time having passion twists. The first time I had passion twists, I had my hair cornrowed back and then crocheted that way, and then the second time I did the rubber band method, which I like a lot more because I feel like you can do more styles with. It looks a lot more natural and stuff like that. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. These passion twists though is going to be a little bit more fun for me. I am going to be using purple hair. The type of hair that I'm going to be using is the Waterwave hair. So I'm going to show you I got two different kinds of hair that I'm going to be using on my head. So the first brand is the Lulutress, and this is the Waterwave. This is crochet hair. It's 18 inches and it is purple. The second brand is the Kima Braid, the Harlem 125 Waterwave as well, and this is purple. I feel like the other one is a little bit more bright. And I got 6 packs. I believe the last time I did my passion twist, I used 6 packs as well. Okay, so before I install my passion twist, I like to part and plait my hair and twist. Some people like to crochet their hair when it's parted and then twist their hair with it. But what I like to do is I like to put it in plaits, twist it, and then I crochet it and I just twist it with the 2-strand twist like this. I think y'all will see when I get into it. But I parted off my hair in 4 plaits, and that's what I'm gonna do across my entire head. And I'm going to 2-strand twist my, the actual plaits. So as you can see, it is 2-stranded. I did go in with some Murray's Edge wax. My hair is basically in half, so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna have about 6 rows of twist in my hair. So this is 1 row, and then I'm gonna split this one into 2 more. So what I like to do is I just take a piece of hair and detangle it with a brush. And then I'm going to take my edge wax and put it at the roots. And then I just take a rubber band and then I just take a curling cream of my choice and I 2-strand it up. So I'm gonna do my entire head like this. It's gonna take me quite some time, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my entire head and then I'm going to come back on camera. Okay, so I am finished twisting up half of my hair. I said I was gonna come back when I did my entire head, but I decided to come back after I've done half of it. And so I'm just gonna show you all like the installing process. I know that my parts are not perfect, but I mean, I really don't care because once I install the hair, like the parts are gonna be hidden. I'm gonna start off with this hair first, and then I'm gonna kind of switch each time. So I'm gonna use this hair first, and then I'm gonna switch over to this pack. So I'm just gonna alternate back and forth each time I'm done using each pack up. I know some people like to kind of like tease their hair or kind of separate them, but I don't really like to do that. So what I like to do is I like to take my crochet hook and I like to put it through like so. And then I'm gonna take my crochet hair, my 2 pieces, and I'm gonna try to latch them onto the hook. like that. And I'm going to close the hook. And then I'm going to bring the hair through it. Like that. So then I'm going to take like one strand of hair and put it through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull it. So then I am going to take the hair like this. So I have 2 strands right here, 2 strands right here. But I also like to take my twist and twist them up with it like so. I'm gonna take some beeswax and kind of put them at the end of the hair. That way it doesn't unravel or anything. So that is the first twist. Okay, so I have the first row done, which are these 4 right here. I am going to finish the rest of this half, and then I'll come back and show y'all what the progress looks like so far. Okay, so I'm finished with the first half. So that is what it is looking like, and you can tell the difference between the 2 different packs of hair I use. But this is the first half. See if I could turn around. Okay, so since I've done that, I used both of the 2 packs already. I still have 4 left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just finish the rest of my hair off camera. Hopefully you all kind of got the process of how I did it, how I installed them. Very simple to do. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is finish off camera, and then when I'm done, I am going to probably come on here once I'm done with my whole entire head fully finished and passion twist installed. Okay guys, so this is my finished results of my purple passion twist. As you can see, you can tell the difference between the first pack and the second pack. Like I said, I did like mix them both together, but it came out really good. And it looks really different. I like it. It's really cute. I also want to do like some different styles, so also let me know if you would like to see a hairstyles video. Yeah, so it came out really cute. I like it. Came out really cute. Also, I will make sure to put in the description box the names of the hair that I used in my hair. I did get this hair from the beauty supply store here, so I'm pretty sure you can find like purple passion twist hair, like Waterwave hair, on the internet somewhere. But yeah, this is my final results. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to let me know if you like it, and if you would like to try it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.